Anythink was an opportunity to expand and create a real brand that meant something to people. The chance to stand out and be different in a library space when there's so much of the obvious was fantastic. People have grabbed on Anythink and they're really celebrating it.
A lot of people ask us about our new logo and about the doodle and what that stands for.
The beginning of all ideas.
Reminds me of spaghetti, but it's mind food.
The quest for information isn't always a straight line. Sometimes it wends around and you learn other things in the process.
The doodle can be anything you want it to be.
Anything's possible.
There's no limit to the possibilities.
Anything you could think of.
If there's anything here that you need.
I think it's a great name.
Cover.
That's very good. The perfect name.
It's something that really resonates with people. They see it and they get it and they can relate to it.